Too excited. Let's turn. You're gonna be a pilot? Good morning. We're in West Virginia. Milo, good morning. We're gonna go to the International Air and Space Museum today. Is it space or just airplanes?
So it's the U.S. Air Force Museum.
Oh.
The National U.S. Air Force Museum. And it's pretty cool. We went to the one in D.C. and there the building's only so big. Here they have tons of land to spread out, so the planes are huge. You can walk under B-52s, big bombers.
Milo, are you excited to see big airplanes? Are you excited to see big airplanes? What do you think? Should we go to the big airplane museum?
Yeah.
Here, dude.
You excited? Here Madeline was doing pretend store, and she was pretending that they were selling chocolate chips that they were magical, and when you ate them, they turn you into things. The goat was one of them?
I was a cow, yeah.
Yes.
Milo was a rooster.
Milo got turned into a rooster. Madeline, what else?
What were
Did you give it
to
to Daddy and he got turned into a cow?
No, I was the maker to make chocolate magic.
Oh, she was the chocolate maker.
You were the chocolate maker. And then I got one that turned me into a princess.
Come on.
I'm sorry we got turned into a cow.
Oh, it's okay.
I still love you.
Mom.
As a mom, I have a Mary Poppins bag, and it's really gross right now because I just dumped it all over the bed so I could clean it out. And here's the inside of my Mary Poppins bag. Oh, ugh. Let's take another look at the mysteries that are inside my purse. Okay, we've got little jewels, chalk, a ring, lip gloss, popsicle sticks, a receipt, sunglasses, a bobby pin, more chalk, pins, candy, otherwise known as bribery, some unique lipstick, trash, old batteries, more bribery, a Thomas turn, a cool old coin that I found in the grass. Well, I don't know about old, but
Can I see?
yeah.
That's what
Hair
I
ties.
can do, Mom.
Oh, that's not. Oh, cool. Yeah. What is in your magic bag? I got a yo-yo yesterday at the store, and I'm going to show off my mad yo-yo skills from junior high. Ready, Milo? Can you catch it? Ready, go. Woo! Woo! Woo!
I got a surprise.
Get it faster than that. Woo! Woo! Can you catch it, Madeline?
Yeah.
Ready, catch it. I gotta be fast. Fast, fast.
Bridges. It's cool.
Hello? What are you? You gonna get a shake?
Papa.
Right here, Madeline.
And Mom.
We're gonna dance. Raining, raining. It's just a little bit raining. Oh! Ah! Hi, Madeline. Did you like your milkshake? What kind of milkshake did you get? He's just doing silly faces. Milo!
What kind of milkshake was it, Goober?
Milo! We just ate at Steak and Shake and we're both feeling lethargic.
Ready for a nap. Jeez.
All this heavy food and
I looked up the
huge milkshakes.
I looked up the calorie count and it was a bad choice because wow. I feel guilty now.
It's okay. We're on vacation.
We're on vacation, but I'm supposed to climb Mount Rainier in like 2 weeks, so I can't completely let it go. Or I won't make it to the
I had
top.
maybe a fourth of my milkshake and they had, you've probably been there once before. It's really good. Madeline, what kind of milkshake did you get?
I don't know.
You got Oreo. Was it yummy?
No, it was not yummy.
It was yummy.
It was not yummy.
It was. You're being a silly goose.
It was not
We're gonna go try to sneak in quickly to the Air Force Museum. We'll see. Hopefully they let us in. Closes at 5. I can see it being some goofy rule though, where the last admission's at 4 or something. It's a little. It's full. Each painter's full of planes. They have an F-15.
Look, Milo.
Wow. There it is. There's really big ones inside. We'll look at the map and figure out which one to go to.
Vacation. We're on vacation today. We're on vacation.
Hey, what airplane do you want to see, Milo?
Mine. Oh, he doesn't even know what to do first. He's going crazy out of his mind. Milo.
Come this way, Milo. Look at this one.
Oh, Milo, Milo, Milo. Milo.
Pick him up.
Hey, can we manage to not do that? We'll try. He's pretty dang excited. Oh. Ho, ho, ho. Madeline, stay in, please.
Look at this. This is the B-52. Look at how big it is. Big it can fly around the world.
Legit. Whoa! Come here. I'll hold you. Ooh. So big. Oh my goodness. So big.
Look at those wheels. Go under. Look, we can go under there. Look underneath the belly.
Oh.
Look at Milo. What's
Milo, look. He's too excited. Okay, I got Milo. Milo. So big.
Oh, you can't go under.
Look, Madeline, look how big it is. Whoa. Oh.
Look it.
What do you think?
Look. That's what you wear when you fly a fighter. The fighter's fatigues. And it needs a mask because they're pulling high G-forces. So you need oxygen pumped to your face and a helmet.
That's the pro.
Yep, if we had more
Tell me about
time.
what you did as a child.
Well, I know all the names and like the missions all these different planes went on. I could like, and there's hundreds here. I was a weird kid. I watched World War II documentaries instead of cartoons. That Jeep would go into the back. Oh, look,
You'd think a few times a day they have a few problems of kids running and up in there and such. Otherwise, thered be like more of a gate.
Yeah. Oh, look.
Between.
You want to go on that airplane?
Oh, don't let him think it's an option.
No, we cannot.
We can just look inside. So cool.
It's a Jeep. Hi, Jeep.
Oh. Wow. Wow. Look, there's so many cool
Oh, look, I see a
ones.
helicopter. I spy a helicopter up high. And there's guys up there. Yep, and they're rescuing him, huh?
That guy needed help.
And look, here's a big Sikorsky helicopter. Jolly green, and then there's a Huey up here.
Wow, so cool. Pointy thing on the end. Look, it's got a pointy thing.
Look, there's 2 seats in there. Is it for you and Milo? Would you fly it?
Look how big that is. These are building the Berlin Wall again.
You know what it was? There was a candy bomber.
The candy bomber? There was a time when there was these children on the other side of the wall and they did not have candy. They were having a hard time, you know what, because it was in the middle of the war. They did not get to have candy, and it was so special because there was a pilot and he did something special. He put some candy in some real special packages for them. You see.
It has huge engines. It can go over Mach 5.
She's just like her face. She just doesn't know what to think. It's a little much.
There's an F-16.
Oh.
See that?
What do you think, Madeline? Do you think you'd ever need to go in such a fast airplane?
Look at this. This is the fastest airplane ever built. There's its engine. Yep, look at that engine.
Whoa!
Look, they're gonna replace the engine. They're gonna put a new one in this airplane.
So cool.
When I was like 15. Down over Russia, and then the pilot was held hostage. If you remember that movie with Tom Hanks, this is what he was flying. And in response to that, they're like, we don't want a plane ever shot down again spying on Russia. They built a plane that could outrun any of the missiles.
We will close the aircraft gallery in 25 minutes. If you would like to get
What is that all about? We're leaving the, oh.
Berlin Wall.
Is this actually part of the Berlin Wall?
Yeah.
Wow. They're going, woohoo, Madeline! Whoa.
This is what controls.
Apparently the guys who fly these have to be like 5'5" and what, babe? 140
pounds.
140 pounds. I'll talk like I know what I'm talking about, but he's the expert in this thing, so.
Okay, after Milo's
wanna
done,
fit?
look, this is how you fly it.
Milo, are you gonna be a pilot? Why don't you try to sit in there with him on your lap?
I'll try. We'll see. It's super tight.
Okay.
Okay, it's my
Oh,
turn.
you gonna do it again?
Madeline's
Okay,
turn.
Madeline's turn.
You sit in
You gonna
there.
be a pilot?
This is the F-16. It can pull over 9 Gs. Helicopter.
This is huge. I did not realize there were helicopters that were this big. So big. Crazy. We'll leave here without him finding at least one toy.
As I remember seeing as a kid. Okay, we have like 8 minutes before the museum.
I'm supposed to see, like, okay, yeah. Let me just do that.
Okay. Yeah.
Check out those gloves. Ooh, let's try to go in there. It's probably too late. They closed it.
Right in front of you.
Madeline, you getting ready to buy that toy? Just
Okay, is that the one you chose, Madeline? Okay, when you're ready.
Milo, show me what you chose. One little souvenir. What do you think? Okay, show us how to do yours, Madeline. One more time. Daddy will. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo!
Mom almost got her face.
Oh, sleepy boy. Did those planes tucker you out? Oh, sleepy boy. He's got his little airplane out there. He's been pushing that button non-stop. Plane's over here. Tell us what your favorite airplane was.
I don't know, it's just fun to see all of them. The ones I like the best though, it's fun to see the SR-71, just because the technology behind it. It's amazing that they were able to engineer a plane to go that fast when they did. It was designed in like the late 50s and early 60s. And the idea was, it was a plane so fast it can outrun missiles. So it's a plane that like they haven't even really ever disclosed how fast it can go. But you know, there's people that assume it can go close to 3,000 miles per hour at top speed, which is pretty amazing.
Asked me what my favorite was. I said the bee.
aircraft, but I don't think they have one there. If they do, we didn't see
making
it.
up the numbers. I thought it was amazing to see all of that talent, for one thing, of what mankind's capable of putting together and creating. Also kind of sobering and strange, even of, I don't know, they're all weapons of war. But it just made me walk around and thinking everybody should just love each other. There needs to be world peace. Big helpers. Go in, you got it. This way. Or is it this way? Oh, big helping.
Guys, it's not that far. This way.
We're at the Piata, and I'm having amazing balsamic salad. Very light. We wanted something light. Such a thick lunch. Not a light. Oh, look at those yummy noodles. You need some help? Okay, I'll help you.